how to use Pinterest on mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to use Pinterest on mobile. To do this, you want to make sure you're connected to a stable internet. Now first thing, you want to install Pinterest on your device. So open up your respective app store and type in Pinterest on the search bar and install the app. After which, click on the open button. Now, basically to use Pinterest, you need to have an account. So create account. So you will be provided with different options, either continue with email or continue with Google. Select one of these method and then you want to simply go ahead and type in. Click on the continue button. As you do it so, you will then be asked to create a strong and a unique password. Go ahead and do that. Click on next button. As you do it so, you want to type in your full name and then your date of birth. Click the OK button, tap the next button. Now that you've actually done this, you could see that your password has been saved, and now you'll be asked to simply go ahead and select the Vive or select your feed type, and this way you'll have successfully used Pinterest on mobile. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.